When you receive your invitation to the Registration and Competitive Events System, races.dronesinschool.com, powered by LeagueOS, you'll be taken to this screen. If you already have a LeagueOS account, you can sign in with your account here. If you do not have an account, you'll need to create a new LeagueOS account. Create a username. This can be a nickname, or it can be your first last name, or Mr. or Mrs. for a teacher. To enter your email address, enter your date of birth, accept the terms of service and privacy policy, and create your account. Agree to the league rules and join our league. Next, you'll see a pop-up with the opportunity to create a profile. You can add an image here. You can also add your first and last name. We ask that all of our advisors use their real name. Makes it easy for us to verify who you are, and continue. And now you'll see your school. So this is your school here, and inside your school you'll have your teams. So if you select your team, the teams you've registered will show up here. If they've been registered for the season, they'll have a season year underneath this team. So this one has not been set up yet, but yours probably will. You can open this up and you can edit this team. So first of all, you can rename the team. I can go into settings. I can go in the team profile, and you'll see there it says new school team 1, change this. So this is going to be the Fabulous Flyers. Do not select any activity because this team will play in all of the things available in our league. And we don't have to worry about the other things. You can select your school colors here. And then if your team has an avatar, a little logo, this is what you'll create there. You can create your hero image. Your hero image will go right here where this green background is. And then your nameplate. Here it gives you the sizes for those. A lot of our teams use Canva to create these. As an educator, you can get a free account on canva.com. Once that's done, you're going to save that. Under availability, you can add your time zone. And then under members, you're going to invite the other members of your teams. This would be your students. If you have another faculty advisor, you can do that as well. So we do that under invitations. So you're going to create an invite, and I usually make it available for 7 days or 30 days. And I can say how many team members I want to have. So what we kind of recommend is you do 5 uses for a person that's going to be just a team member. So they'll be a player, and you create that code. So I can activate that, and that will give me a link that I can share out to those people. I can email that to myself, or I can just copy it and put it out to my students. Once that's done, I'm going to create another invitation, and I'm going to give them ownership of the team. And this would be for my project manager. So I can activate that. If I have their email address, I can put that in. They'll get an invitation just like you did. So there's my invitations. They can also use this code to join a team. So if they log in, there's a place to enter a code. So you can give them the code, you can give them the link, you can send them an email. Lots of options to invite your students into LeagueOS. Once they're in there, the student that owns the team can then modify the team, the logo. They can modify their profile. And they're free to do all of that. For you, you'll be the owner of the school. So I'll go ahead and save this here. So under the school, I can do the same thing. And then this will have all the members of your school. So if you have multiple teams, all of these will show up here as well. You'll see your teams, any invitations you've created to the school. This is not the team invitations, it's the school invitations. So this would be used if you had another teacher who was going to be a co-advisor, or you have a parent that you want to have access to the school and maybe they're going to help you out with managing this. You can invite them as well. And then down at the bottom we have your admin. So your team is active. It's a youth team, so nothing to change there. If you had other members of your team, you can give them access to manage teams, delete teams, etc. Once you're all set up, you can come back to our home page. You can click on our calendar. You'll see all the events that are available to you. When registration is open, you'll be able to select a team that can register. Now you'll see here that this individual account does not have an option to register because they do not have a team registered for the 24-25 season. So if you go in and you try to register a team and seems like you can't, it's perhaps you haven't registered for this current season. Hope that helps. Enjoy races.dronesandschool.com. Please reach out if you have any questions.